Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel MrSchroeter, and I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you all how to pre-qualify for a mortgage. Once again, how to pre-qualify for a mortgage. If you wonder what makes me qualified to teach you all this, I am currently a licensed real estate sales agent in the state of Florida, as well as a realtor with the Space Coast Association of Realtors and an agent with Keller Williams Space Coast Cocoa Beach office. So if you are anywhere in the world and you're looking for a Keller Williams agent, please feel free to reach out to me, and I may be able to refer you to someone else in our very large network, or I may be able to help you myself if you are located somewhere in the Central Florida area. Now, with that being said, let's move a little bit further into why we're all here today, which is how to pre-qualify for a mortgage. So, pre-qualifying for a mortgage is a process that determines how much your lender is going to be willing to loan you on a house based upon your credit worthiness and financial situation. And so we're basically just going to go through 5 steps that your lender is going to request of you in order to get pre-qualified for a house. So step 1 for getting pre-qualified for a mortgage is to gather together all of your financial information. So your W-2s, your pay stubs, your tax returns, bank statements, any information that your lender would need from you financially, your income, your debts, your assets, all that stuff. Have it all together to present to your lender. Now that you've gathered all of your financial information, we're going to move into step 2, which would be to actually complete the mortgage application. So typically a mortgage application is going to have basic personal and basic financial information. Going to ask for your name, your address, employment information, and then it's going to start asking you those different financial questions as far as, what do you make in a year? What's your outstanding debt? What are your monthly payments? What assets do you have? All those different questions that are just basically giving the lender an understanding of your current financial status. Then step number 3, they're going to get or pull your credit report. Typically, you don't have to present it to the company yourself. They typically are able to pull them now. Some companies may still request you to present a copy, but basically they will pull your credit report and check your credit score and your credit history. Typically, they're going to do a tri-pull, meaning that they will pull all 3 credit bureaus, so TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Now, step number 4 is you're going to, of course, provide the proof of any income or assets to your lender. So you'll have to provide those documentations, the pay stubs, the tax returns, and all that stuff to them to ensure that they are able to verify the information that you gave them on the application. Step number 5, the most simple part, is just they're going to review all the information that you gave them with you, and then you're going to submit the application. Once they do that and submit the application, typically now these are automated and electronic processes, so they're going to automatically let you know, or within maybe 24 to 48 hours, reach back out to you and say, hey, this is how much we're willing to lend to you. Now, it's a very important caveat that you understand that getting pre-qualified for a mortgage is not the same as pre-approval, and pre-qualifying is an initial step to help you understand how much you're able to borrow and help you for your expectations and your budgeting. So what is your expected mortgage payment, insurance, things like that before you go into home ownership, as well as what amount of money you should be looking towards for purchasing a home. Pre-approval is a more in-depth process, and it involves a lender reviewing your financial information in more detail, and they're going to then provide you with a letter, and that letter is going to basically tell you what they're willing to lend you and give you very specifics. And it's going to typically be specific to one particular property when you're talking about a pre-approval versus a pre-qualification. In a future video, we're going to go more in depth, so stay tuned for the next video where I talk more about a pre-approvals, how to get a pre-approval, and what specifically it is. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and most importantly, share this video out to someone else who could benefit from it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next video.